Here we see Georgian gardeners. See how beautifully trimmed lawn. We go deeper into the village. On the left you can see typical buildings for this area. Let's go for a walk to the waterfall among beautiful landscapes. There was supposed to be some historic building here, but they probably changed the way the land was used. Or I had a wrong look at the map. Beautiful place, isn't it? A walk among such nature is pure pleasure. Here we have an interesting building. What do you think it could be? Maybe a school, or bakery, or a witch house. This is cool. If witches lived in previous building, their children must have studied here. It was a school of wizardry and magic. Or it still is. Did this also interest you? So let's take another look. Scary house light. Oh, it is a dark river where witches washed their dirty clothes, but also their dirty bodies. Don't go into the water. Gamarjoba, lady. Gamarjoba. They ignore me like all women. The witcher lives there, so I don't go any further. I think they're headed for a witches rally, or to the butcher, or to the milkman. Don't be afraid, I'm afraid of you. Gamarjoba. Okay, look, I don't feel like going any further. The witcher house is free in front of me, and besides I am tired. But as an excuse, I will throw in some nice shots of the waterfall. Nice? Oh cool, but you have better view here, check it out. This without torment, and here more for faithful viewers. See how cool. You can come by car, park and lie down in a hammock. Something fabulous. Okay, let's go to the store. I know you like stores. And the stories too. Jams, marmalades, cookies and wafers. Everything is here. Oh la boga! gem, a beautiful classic of the automotive industry. From 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 60 seconds.